Come on. What does the K do? Does anybody remember?
K is the y-intercept.
No. If it's a plus, we go up. If it's a minus, we go down. The H, the inside here. If it's a plus, which way do you go?
Left.
To the left.
Oh yeah, I remember.
If it's a minus,
to the right.
to the right. Okay, if there's a negative here, what's that do?
If you had a what?
If there's a negative up front, okay, we open our graph like this.
Negative front. It's a negative.
Okay, and then the A is our slope.
So it's a negative.
Okay.
Oh.
And then the other day we did the bars. What's the bar shape look like?
Bar. I don't know.
It's the V. Okay, so if we have bars, remember it's a V shape.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so see this one how it has an x squared? The bars one does not. Okay, so that's between that you can tell. Okay, where do all of these graphs start off at? At 0. Okay, so see how this has nothing with it? Then that means it's at 0. 0, 0. Okay, this is going to be a U. Now, the U's are we have not graphed. So you go down. In this case, we go down because see the minus? Okay, so we're going to go down 1 over 1 on both sides. And then from this point, look at me. From this point, you go down 4 over 2. 4 over 2. Okay, we go down 4 over 2. Because the U, that's how it looks to make a U. Whereas the V, when you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, it makes those straight lines. The U, in order for it to make a U, you gotta go 1 over 1 and then 4 over 2. Okay? Okay, put that up. Can I scroll? Erica, are you done? Okay, do not figure out where my dot is. Count yourself. Okay? That's how you gotta practice. So, my first question to you is this gonna be a V or a U?
A V.
Down 4.
That's gonna be a V. It's gonna be a V.
I just said that.
No, because these are like 2.5. That one's
How you do this?
It's gonna be a V. Okay, so where does our graph start at?
0.
0. Okay, what does this minus 2 do?
Oh no.
Down. Wait.
Left to up.
Right.
This 2.
Up 2.
Up 2. What does this 2 do?
Right.
Right.
2.
Right.
Right 2. So this is our vertex. That's our first point.
Oh, yeah.
And we've already said this is gonna be a V or a U?
A V.
A V. Does it open up or down?
Down.
How do you know?
Because negative.
So this negative lets us know that the graph opens down. So from here,
Gotta go down.
we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1.
Alright, bet.
Okay? So the V is down 1 over 1, remember?
Listen, I had a question. How did you do the first one? I forgot.
So we're just making a U. Yours looks like a V, but you go down 1 over 1, and then you go back up here, and you go down 4 over 2.
Where do you get the 4 from?
That's just the formula.
So if I did this one, I go right to you.
Wait, how'd you know number 1 was
Up 1 over 1.
Up 1 over 1. Other this is like my point. Up 1 over 1.
No, because this is a U.
How do you know if it's you?
Because it has the square. See that little 2?
Oh.
Or
okay.
it'll have parentheses, and then you go up 4 over 2.
Oh, okay.
Okay, look at 5. Is this going to be a V or a U?
U or V. Oh, U.
A U. How do you know?
Because it has parentheses.
It's got parentheses and what else?
And
The exponent. Okay, so still, we start at 0, 0. What does the minus 3 do on the end?
Go down.
How many?
3.
3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What does the plus 3 do?
Go over to the left.
Over left 3. So here's our vertex, our starting point. Now, because this is a U, we go up 1 over 1. Okay, and then from the vertex, from that starting point, you're going to go up 4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2.
Wait, go.
So you're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2.
But I forgot how. Bro, I forgot how Jada taught me a way easier step, but I forgot.
This is right there.
Bro, but hey, last year
No,
we
you
did
gotta
that,
count
bro.
this up
Damn,
from this point,
I forgot
not that one.
Uh,
1, 2.
then you said up 4?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4. Over. I forgot how Jada taught me, but she taught me a way easier step. I just forget. Like,
Can I scroll?
yeah.
Okay, look at 7. If you're not on the same ones as me, you need to. Okay, so you don't get lost. Is this going to be a V or a U? It's going to be a U. Okay, we start at 0, 0. What does that minus 4 do?
Go down.
Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What does the minus 1 on the inside do?
I'll go right.
Left.
Right 1.
Right, buddy.
Does this graph open up or down?
Yeah, up.
Up, how do you know?
Because they don't have no negative sign.
Yeah, the negative will be out in the front here. Okay, now, because this is a U, what do we do?
Go
Up 1 over 1,
Go 1 over 1. Then go up 4. 1, 2.
over 2.
and then from this point, some of you guys are doing it from here. It's not from these ones, okay? It's from the starting one. You're gonna go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2.
Bro, this is right.
How many points do you have to draw on every graph?
5.
5. Okay. The same way you guys might be feeling a little about it, you were feeling about it when we did the V's at first, and then you got the hang of it. It's like, oh, it's pretty easy. Okay, so it's just practice. But don't be looking at my dots and try to copy exactly down. Okay, do it yourself. Practice yourself counting. Okay, otherwise you're not going to learn anything. I promise you. Okay, look at 9. Is this going to be a V or a U? V. Why? It's got the straight bar, so it's going to be a V. Okay, we start at 0. What does that minus 4 do?
Down 4.
Down 4,
Oh, left 1.
left 1. Does this graph open up or down?
Down.
How do you know?
Because it's the negative sign.
The negative. So, and then what's our slope? By slope, I mean, how do I get down 1 over 1?
What's your bar?
You know, Miss, have you heard about the new Hocus Pocus that's coming out?
My camera's on, okay?
Oh,
So let's...
bruh. You should have told me.
Dude,
I'll be forgetting.
it's okay. Jesus is excited about Hocus Pocus, guys.
No, I don't know what's Hocus Pocus.
Can I scroll?
Yeah.
I feel watching because.
Okay, is this a U or a V? Shh, come on. Is this a U or a V?
V.
It's a V. What does that plus 2 do?
Up 2.
Up 2.
Right 4.
Left, right 4. Opens up or down?
Up.
Up with a slope of,
1 up 1 over 1.
yep, 1 over 1.
Why are you going with his end?
Can I scroll?
Yeah.
13. U or a V?
You.
It's a U. What does the 3 do? Get on the same one as me if you're not. Up 3. Which way?
Right 1.
Right 1. Does this open up or down?
Up.
Up. What's our first slope?
1 over 1.
1 over 1.
And then,
4 over 2.
4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, the biggest mistake I could tell you guys, most of you guys get here fine. It's the second set of points. Make sure you're counting from this one. Okay, and count slow. Because some of you guys, you're going to put your dot here. I guarantee you. And then your graph is going to look funny. I can look at it and tell that it's wrong. Okay, so make sure that you're putting your points in the right spots.
Wait, where do we come from? Is this right? Do we come from here? Or we
Mhm.
come where do we want?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Oh, so we come from 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, some people count the 4 from this one and you can't.
Oh,
Hey,
my boy is here. Look at him.
I'm glad you made it.
Came to school. Y'all pink.
It's okay. Timmy just got here too, you know? It's like Friday. It is what it is. At least you guys showed up. Look how many people's missing. You know? People hate on people being tardy. Like, at least you came.
I always have to show up. My kid's late, but I always have to show up.
We should have had it 2 hours. Don't let get me started because my camera's on, but